G'day, welcome to my first ever shorts video. This particular pair here, my missus got me. I don't know where. Could have been a Target job, so very impressed with these ones. This particular pair here is from Aldi. It's a work zone branded shorts. They're work shorts. They're actually quite comfortable, a nice fit. You have to tuck your stomach in a little bit sometimes, depending on what meal you had, but good pair of shorts. When I joined the band, it was only appropriate I got the right shorts for the band, and they're really comfortable when I go to practice. So when I look forward to spattering a bit of time around the workshop, in particular, I like these shorts. They're quite cosy, and I can fit some metric spanners into the pockets. Not Imperial, I get confused. I'm just trying to apply myself